Deep within the vast Nevada desert, concealed by layers of government secrecy, lies a place that has ignited the imaginations of truth seekers and skeptics alike. Welcome to the epicenter of conspiracy theories, Area 51. This mysterious and highly secretive military facility has captured the imaginations of many. Let's explore its history, the claims surrounding it, and separate fact from fiction. To understand the Area 51 conspiracy theory, we must first look at the history of the facility. Area 51 is a classified U.S. Air Force base located in the Nevada desert. It was established during the Cold War and primarily used for testing and developing advanced aircraft and weaponry. One of the most enduring claims associated with Area 51 is that it houses extraterrestrial technology and even crashed UFOs. Proponents of this theory argue that the U.S. government is reverse engineering alien spacecraft in secret. However, there is no credible evidence to support these claims. Another sensational claim is that Area 51 has been the site of alien autopsies and experiments on extraterrestrial beings. These stories often lack verifiable evidence and rely on anecdotal accounts and alleged insider testimonies. Area 51's reputation for secrecy has led to speculations about unethical human experiments conducted there. While it's true that classified military research has taken place, the extent and nature of these activities remain largely unknown. Let's debunk these claims and clarify some facts. First, while Area 51 is indeed a secretive facility, its primary purpose has always been military research and development, focusing on aircraft like the U-2 spy plane and the SR-71 Blackbird. The veil of secrecy surrounding Area 51 has contributed to conspiracy theories. However, this secrecy is not unique to Area 51, but is a standard practice for classified military installations. Such secrecy is necessary to protect national security interests. Despite decades of speculation and investigation, there is no concrete, verifiable evidence to support claims of extraterrestrial technology or alien autopsies at Area. The advanced technology tested at Area 51 is often misinterpreted as alien in origin. The development of cutting-edge aircraft and weaponry is the primary focus of the base. The classified nature of these projects can lead to confusion and conspiracy theories. The intrigue surrounding Area 51 has permeated popular culture, further fueling conspiracy theories. Movies, books, and documentaries have contributed to the mystique of the facility, sometimes blurring the lines between fact and fiction. The Area 51 conspiracy theory is an enduring tale of secrecy and speculation. While the base is undoubtedly involved in classified military research, the sensational claims of extraterrestrial technology and alien experimentation remain unsubstantiated. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the Area 51 conspiracy theory. If you found this video informative, please like and share it to promote a more informed understanding of this mysterious facility.